Have any of y'all ever wondered why, like, I mean, we all know, like, hamsters have, like, the most gruesome deaths, like, imagined, right? Like, literally, like, cinematic death type shit, right? And they're like pets, right? I could get that. They're pets. Where did they come from? There's no way you're telling me their species didn't die out. Like, what? But no, I'll fucking look this shit up. Tell me why it says, like, hamsters are from, where did it say they were from? I think it said they were from, like, Turkey and Syria. Like, what? And then it said they, like, ate amphibians, and I was like, you're telling me a fucking hamster's taking down a frog? Like, that's like, unless said hamster has, like, a tiny little spear, and they're like, the frog, I don't see them, like, ever beating a frog. Like, maybe I'm just being, like, stupid or some shit, but I swear I don't think a hamster could beat a fucking frog. And then don't even get me started on, like, fucking gerbils and shit. Like, where did they come from? Alright, so please, no one ask me how I got here, but I happened upon a YouTube video today, or actually it was yesterday, my bad. I happened upon a YouTube video, and they were literally, like, it was literally, like, talking about, like, black magic witchcraft shit. I don't know why I got recommended it. Let's not go there. But it was on, like, how to make sigils. And if y'all don't know what a sigil is, it's like a little design thing, right? I'll walk you through this real quick, right? So you write out, like, a word, or, like, a sentence per se, right? And the sentence can be stuff like, okay, so the sentence has to be something that's, like, plausible. So you can't just be like, I want to win the lottery, but you never play the lottery. It has to be something plausible. There already has to be a certain a chance that it happens, apparently. Don't know how that works, but apparently it does or doesn't. I don't know. There was, like, millions of views on this video, so apparently a lot of people used it, right? And hold on, there's a twist. Don't click off. There's a twist, I promise. This isn't a witchcraft video. So basically, you get your sentence, right? It could be like, I want to win the lotto, right? I'm going to win the lotto. And you basically, like, I think you switch it into numbers or something, and then you make, like, a little sigil out of all the numbers, right? It's just like a combination of all the numbers, and then you just keep rewriting the sigil and keep making it more and more random, right? Until eventually you get your finished product. It doesn't have to be, like, fancy or anything. It just has to, you know, have a meaning to you. Be like, oh, that's my winning lottery sigil or some shit, right? Once you get to that step, you gotta charge your sigil. And oh fuck. Oh shit, I can't believe I'm talking about this. To charge a sigil in like this witchcraft shit and in this black magic voodoo shit, you gotta, like, you either gotta come on the sigil or, like, come while looking at the sigil. It's not very descriptive. It's something along those lines, you know? You either come on the sigil or you come while looking at the sigil to charge it. Yeah, once you do that, you burn the sigil, and then you just forget about it, and apparently it'll happen eventually. But anyways, holy fuck, no way I just caught rain. Bro, Bro, the forecast for today was clear. How am I catching rain? This is giving me flashbacks to yesterday. I'll throw a fucking clips for that one. Holy fuck. I got stormed on, bro. I thought I would miss it, but I didn't. And then today, the fucking forecast is clear, and I'm still catching fucking rain. It's not looking good! Fuck. No. We're about to get drenched, bro. We're about to get drenched. Ah! Fuck! This sucks. Fucking sucks. God damn it. I don't know, what are we thinking? We pass or no? We might pass. I don't know if this guy's gonna be turning up here. Giant fucking bug just splattered on my fucking windshield. I don't even know. Y'all might have heard that one. Jesus. Who cares? I'll get over. Oh, never mind. I'll get back over. Oh, shit. It's fucking raining. 650. 650? Yeah. No cops. Woo! That's a nice little pull up the hill. It's fucking raining though. I wanna get to work, bro. I don't wanna get rained on again. No. Bro, I wish I had my fucking mirror, bro. I love my mirror. Is there a cop? Ah, we're good. We're good! From what I could tell, the Gixxer 750 is like on top of middleweights. It's kind of like in a class of its own, but it's not middleweight, but it's not leader bike. It's a little different than both. Not enough power to be a leader, but not enough power or not slow enough to be a middleweight. I feel like the Gixxer 650, the Gixxer 750 is like a logical middle step between the two. Yeah, you just gave me the radical sign. I'm so cool. But I feel like the Gixxer 750 is like a logical next step. Between like 600 to a liter bike. I mean, maybe I'm tripping. I've never been on like a liter bike or 750 before, so you know, I could be wrong. You know, I'm not speaking from experience here, just from a stat page. So And everybody knows the stat page isn't like the end all be all of fucking bikes and cars in general, really. Let's see if he's down here. Nope, nope, nope. Right here.